why are people in crypto so hyped about newer coins promising the world? Because people like FOMO. Well, actually, I would say people like making money. And the fastest money to make in crypto is always with new coins. Because when they launch, they launch with poor pricing, essentially meaning that they get repriced very quickly. And there's lots of arbitrage in capturing that value, right? If you find something that is grossly mispriced and you end up getting in early, you can make a killing. You can heck retire off of that in just 1 year, right? So I think that's why also people race to find the shiny new sexy token whenever it launches. Maddie, your take?
Yeah, I mean, I literally watched the guy who was well, I don't want to call him broke, but the partner that I have on now he's extremely good research analyst. I've been working with him since 2018, off and on, and I pretty much brought him on and said, hey, I want you to do research for me with me and look into stuff or whatever. This is back in like August, right? Uh, and back then, I was paying him a salary and he was getting a profit share of that. So just to kind of put you into his paradigm of where he was, that was in August. That man is on the cusp of becoming a millionaire today. So that can just show you how quickly your life can change in crypto when you're investing in the most volatile assets on the planet. He literally went from being we no offense to anyone out there, we call them wage cucks. He went from being a wage cuck to being it's like pretty much life changing money, right? And wage cuck is essentially someone who does the 9 to 5, and that's perfectly fine. My parents 9 to 5, my wife does 9 to 5. No, there's no ill intent when I say that terminology, but it's a mentality shift, right? When you go from the wage life to someone who's your own boss and your own financial stability, that's true freedom, right? um, True freedom comes from having financial responsibility, being able to go to any jurisdiction around the world in which you want to live in and abide by those laws instead of being constrained to your locale, which brings systemic risk, as we've seen historically, right? So your goal is to accumulate as much wealth as possible as quickly as possible. There's no better place than here in the US of crypto.
Right. Bill?
Right. Well, the one guy who makes the life-changing money, there's probably a group of people that are just chasing stuff out of frustration. I think one thing that we encourage on the show is that even if you feel you've missed out, the most important emotion to control in crypto is this idea that you've missed it all. You haven't missed it all. It hasn't even started. It's not first inning, it's national anthem. Okay. So this concept of I have to chase the new sexy thing, you're right. If you can do the research and you have the smarts, even if you're broke, if you have the smarts, you can change your life in crypto, right? But what you can also do, and this is what I try to help people with, is don't chase the new thing and then miss a big trade because, you're chasing that new thing because you're frustrated, right? A lot of people, I think, in crypto now are frustrated. They knew they just came in or they were out and they got back in and they feel like they missed out. And that's why there's a lot of emotion in the market. That's why a lot of people are chasing stuff that goes straight up and straight down, right? But the thing is, folks, it's national anthem, okay? That is true for Bitcoin, and it's definitely true in the altcoin space.
All right. Thank you, Bill.